Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Savlamar in Westmoreland, Jamaica. We are in Dunbar's River and we're heading into the town of Savlamar. Now Savlamar is the largest town in western Jamaica. Remember, Montego Bay is a city, so outside of Montego Bay, which is a city, Savlamar is the next largest town. And I don't know if anybody knows the answer to this, but you can leave a comment in this below. But what does Savlamar need to do to become a city? It has a hospital, it has so many government offices. Does anybody know what the criteria is for becoming a city in Jamaica? Because even Ocho Rios should be a city. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And the longest road or the longest street in Jamaica is actually in Savlamar. It's Great George Street. We have videos up of driving on that street, so you can check it out. Okay, we're going to turn left here, but if we were to turn right, that would take us to the Savlamar General Hospital. On the right now is the Godfrey Stewart High School. We're entering the town of Savlamar, the center of the town basically. On the left is Royal Pharmacy. Alright, so this is now the town center. And straight, if we were to go straight ahead, that would take us on to Great George Street. But we're going to turn right.